Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make a paper ninja star. First, you are going to need a square piece of paper. If you do not have one, watch this intro to make one. If you do, skip over this intro. So, first, you are going to need to make a triangle on your rectangle piece of paper, normal piece of paper. You can use any type of paper, construction, printer, or lined. I'm using lined, and this is what it should come out to be. So, if you have your square, you see this little strand right here? Fold it backwards. Increase it as much as you can. And you should get this. Now, unfold it and put it and fold it the opposite way. Increase it as much as you can. And you want to do that 4 times so it gets a good crease and you can easily just go. You want to make a little tear like this. Lay it down on the table and slide your hands just enough to where it starts tearing lightly along that crease you made earlier. If you go too quick, it's going to mess it up. And you're gonna get a floppy square. Like this. But, no matter. Okay, so you need the square piece of paper. Now take this side of it and fold it to this side. And then you get it in half. Now, you fold it the other way. Unfold it. And then take this side of it and fold it to this middle line. And then take this side of it and fold it to this middle line. Like this. Then you fold it in half. So you get this strand of rectangle. Then you fold this in half. So you get this tiny little rectangle. Then you unfold that. Now, this, you have to have a little concentration because if you're using lined paper, you can't see it anymore. But if you're using any other type of paper, it's fine. So, you grab this side of it, fold it diagonally to that crease you made just now. So you get this. Then to this side of it, do that exact same thing. So you get this. Then do that exact same thing until up where you get to the diagonal parts, okay? Then you take, so you should get this. Then you take this side of it and do this. Sorry, I kind of got distracted. I thought I told you how to do it, but so you should be doing this one. Okay, so we're on this step right now. You unfold it like so. So you see how this one's down and this one's up? You want that, this one on this piece, this one to be up and this one to be down. And you should get this, but a little different. Not a little, totally different. So now, you flip it over, and you see these blank squares with nothing in them. You want to fill those in with triangles. And you will get boats. 2 little boats. Like so. Oh, that's my dog Brody right there. One boat right here, the other right here. Okay, so now you take this point and fold it to that point. And then you take this point and fold it to this point. So you get this weird shaped diamond. And then you take this one and do that exact same thing. So you get this right now. Then you get to that diamond. And you should get 2 weird looking diamonds. Now you're gonna open those up. Then they should look like this. Then next thing you're gonna do is put one of them on top of the other so you get this. Now take this point and fold it into this crack. Then you take this point and fold it into this crack right here. So you get this. So now you have 2 points. Now you're gonna make the other 2. Take this point and fold it into this crack. This is a tricky part, so you might need my help, okay? This point, so take your finger or your thumb, anything, and pry it up a little bit, okay? Like that. Just big enough for the point to slip in. And now, do that again, but this time, fold it a little bit, stick your finger in there, or thumb, and pry it up a little bit. Enough for the point to fit in. And then you flatten it out. And then you get a really far gliding ninja star. I need to go get one more thing. I have a shop called Saul's_store. And it's on Instagram. You can buy anything. You can buy a battle axe, airplane, a ninja star, a sword. Name it. You get it. Well, see you in my next video. Bye.